Welcome, Art Agent Specialists. Your first mission for 2018, should you wish to accept it, is as follows. Step 1. Glue square or rectangle pieces of card or paper onto your page. Step 2. Add white or tinted gesso. Step 3. Make marks with a brush or a comb. Step 4. Add blocks of handwritten journaling. Step 5. Draw through a stencil in black or white. Step 6. Add a focal image or images. Step 7. Add shredded book or music text paper to your page. Step 8. Add typography, a quote or a phrase. Your suggested colour scheme for January is aqua, olive and blush pink. And your words for inspiration are Genesis, renew, resolve, wish and memories. Remember, this mission will self-destruct in 3 seconds. Good luck.